Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to disable Edge search bar on desktop. To start, enter Regedit in the search box. Open the registry editor and click Yes to grant access. After this, you must go to the path that you see on the screen. There, right-click on Microsoft and select New, and then click on Key. Name it Edge. When creating it, right-click somewhere free and select New, and then toward 32-bit value. You will call this value Web Widget Allowed. You will double-click on this value and in Value Information set the number 1. Apply the change. To complete the process, you must restart the operating system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.